I would, but I'm fucking dumb, so let's not. I don't want to turn it on and it just explodes. You know what I mean? Explodes. Unless someone's really good at building PC, I will invite you to come to my house. I will dress in nothing but an apron, smile, and I will cook you food as you build my beast of a PC. Okay? Sound good? Yeah. I'm not gonna pay you. I'm gonna pay you with food and maybe other things depending on how good of a job you do on the PC. Do we have a deal? Feed me! What are we having for din din? We are having fuck. Yes, we're having fuck. We are having a delicious A5 Wagyu beef with delicious seasoned rice and other stuff. So, yeah.